HVACR systems keep our food cold, our homes warm, and our air clean. But few realize the industry behind it. HVACR stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. HVACR is also considered one of the careers least likely to get replaced by AI. While AI may help with troubleshooting, skilled workers are still needed on site. Around Nanaimo, the Comfort Group has installed and maintained heating and cooling systems for more than 20 years. Service technicians install heat pumps, diagnose problems, and perform maintenance, and help customers improve energy efficiency in their homes. Many people enter the trade through apprenticeship and technical training, building skills in troubleshooting, electrical systems, and customer service. Experienced technicians can earn an average of $40 an hour, but that is just an average. Heat pumps work by moving heat instead of creating it. Even on a very cold and snowy day, heat pumps still find whatever heat in the outdoor air and move it indoors. And because they are moving heat instead of creating it, they are much more energy efficient and use much less energy than traditional heating systems. As more Canadians adopt heat pumps and older HVAC workers retire, demand for skilled technicians continues to grow. The transition towards cleaner and more efficient buildings is creating new opportunities and the need for a new generation of workers. With high earning potential, long-term stability, and AI helping rather than replacing the trade, there has never been a better time to explore your career in HVACR.